Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a licensed host account with the webinar add-on enabled and basic event details ready. Once done, sign into the Zoom web portal and navigate to Webinars. Click Schedule a webinar to start the form. Make sure to enter an exact title, date, start time, and duration, and select whether registration is required. This choice changes steps later. If you want recurring sessions, pick the recurring checkbox now, so registration settings apply to every occurrence. Once the basic session exists, focus on registration details. Choose manual versus automatic approval depending on whether you want to vet attendees. You should add any custom registration questions now. This helps collect needed info, and make sure collect email and name is enabled for follow-up. Next, set capacity limits and confirmation email preferences so attendees receive access links immediately or after approval. Finally, invite and assign panelists or co-hosts, granting practice session access. To finish, save the webinar and copy the registration link. Share it via email, calendar invites, or your landing page. Once distributed, test the entire registration flow yourself in an incognito window to confirm emails, approval steps, and the join link work as intended. Also schedule a practice session with panelists to verify audio and screen sharing. If registrants report issues, check approval status, webinar capacity limits, and whether confirmation emails landed in spam or were blocked by your email provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.